So we got these Matsuras in summer of 2021. And so in late 2022, guys were coming to me and saying, hey, we need another Matsura, right? Because they're fantastic, they're very productive machines. And so I got into Datanomix, I looked at the data, and I saw a fairly strong inverse relationship between the spindle utilization of both the machines. So we name all of our machines, so this is Adam and Eve. So Adam and Eve, because it's the first machines we ever got in a pair, and it was the first machines in this section of the building. So a little symbolic there.
Fun.
Very symbolic. And so when I was looking at that data where there's an inverse relationship in the machine's usage, it was like, we don't need another machine, I just need to train another person to get on the Matsuras, right? And so then we basically took somebody from another part of the shop, got them trained up onto the Matsuras, and then took another person from a different part of the shop, trained them into that position, and kind of backfilled at a lower entry level position. And so now, fast forward to 2023, now we actually genuinely do need another machine, and that's what we've got coming in.